Save our planet. Environment ministers meet researchers in Antarctica. Following their arrival in South Africa to discuss the urgency of climate change, environment ministers and policymakers from more than a dozen nations traveled to Antarctica, where they convened with the US-Norwegian team of scientists returning from a research expedition. With Antarctica containing more than 90% of the world's ice, its possible melt presents one of the most frightening warming threats. Experts are now citing a staggering 70 meters of potential sea level rise if all of Antarctica were to melt.
Glaciers in Greenland, also in Antarctica and other places, are moving much faster than we've previously thought. That kind of dynamics is not accounted for because it's not fully understood yet, but as is, we may have a higher sea level rise than IPCC stated a year ago.
Ice shelves are good indicators of climate change because they respond not only to air temperature on the surface, which the rest of the ice sheet responds to, but also to warming in the ocean underneath. The bad news is that when you break the ice shelf away, take that away, all of those glaciers accelerate very rapidly, flowing into the ocean. If that happens elsewhere in Antarctica, where there are even larger glaciers, we'll see very sudden jumps in the rate of sea level rise.
The scenario facing scientists, which now takes Antarctic ice melt into account, is certainly alarming. Addressing the environment ministers, Norwegian Polar Institute Research Director Dr. Kim Holman also confirmed the most grave concerns, saying, "This new analysis shows us actually the whole of Antarctica has been warming."
Your Excellencies and esteemed scientist participants, we laud your commitment in making such a significant journey to verify the fragile situation of our planet. May the visit compel your wise leadership toward actions to preserve the lives of the Earth's inhabitants.